Samantala, nanindigan ng Pilipinas na pairalin ng rule of law sa usapin ng agawan ng teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea. Giit ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacierda, naging bukas si Pangulong Aquino sa usapin ng territorial dispute sa China sa katatapos na ASEAN Summit sa Naypyidaw, Myanmar, kung saan kailangan ang multilateral dialogue dahil sa sobra sa tatlong bansa ang may sa teritoryo. At tiwala naman ang palasyo na makakatulong ang nagkakaisang tinig ng international community kaugnay ng usapin sa West Philippine Sea.
I believe that China is a member, would like to be a member of the international community in good standing. That, however, it appears that they are doing things which we find objectionable. We do believe that international support and international persuasion can be a big voice with respect to China dealing or conducting itself in the international arena.